Hello everybody, what's up? How are you guys doing? Welcome to another episode of Carnival of Colors eye makeup look. I hope you guys like this series because we're going to have some more episode of this till I can get better and work on my face. Right now that I can't work on my face, I'm working on some other things, some characters that I would not tell you about because I like them all to be a surprise. But stay tuned with the channel because good things are going to come. And today's eye makeup gonna be my favorite one probably because it has some galaxy colors that I love. So watch until the end of this video, you're gonna like it. Like always, I prepare my eyes with concealer but would not fix it with powder because we want a lot of pigment. So I just fade this. You know, it's a little bit weird because only this part we have a circle, white circle, and it's a little bit weird. Before doing my eye makeup, I would brush my eyebrows a little bit and just use some brow shadow for filling the empty spots. With light pink, I will use it as my basic color and I fade it all over above my crease line. After fading the light one, we will use a darker one, a darker pink, and we will use it on the crease line. And we have to fade it as much as we can, but we use a lot of it because we like to see pink. The next step is using a dark blue for this part, the corner of the eye. And because I use a lot of this color, I have to get a little bit of it and fade it with pink, like this. Do not worry about this one. I know it's a mess, but we're gonna remove it by concealer after it. Now use just a purple and use it all over your eyelid, like this. Alright, so it's time to remove the mess. And like this, we lift it. And we have to be really careful about this mess. We don't want it to be messier. So like this. Later I use a brush for blending all of them together. My favorite part of the makeup, crease line. So now, this is the part that I like to use my pink and white glitters. So just watch this, you can understand everything I do. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, but I just love these colors, so I couldn't stop myself from not using them. Maybe I regret. Well, let's see. And the last one is the white that it has some, I don't know, pink and green in it, so I really love this. I use a white highlighter for under my eyebrow and the inner corner of my eye. And it's time for a little and thin eyeliner. The part of each makeup which I hate. Use a black pencil for your eyes. But don't come to the middle or the corner, just this part. And we will use all the colors we used for our eyelid, for under our eyes. Oh my god. Purple and dark blue for here, and then pink for this part. So this was this episode's eye makeup look. And I kind of really love it. I hope you guys love it too. So tell me, how do you think about this eye makeup in the comments? Like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Love you guys so much. Take care of yourself, and that's all. Bye bye.